Imagine having your own factory where every step of the production process is visible, controlled, and tailored to your needs. At HighPCB, this is not just an idea, it's the way we work. From the moment you place your order to the final delivery, you have complete visibility into the process, ensuring that your project is on track, on time, and exactly as you envisioned. With our advanced manufacturing system, you can monitor every stage, from design and assembly to testing and packaging, through our real-time tracking platform. Our intuitive dashboard keeps you informed, giving you access to live updates, status reports, and in-depth insights into your order. Transparency is at the core of our process, putting you in full control. What truly sets us apart is our quality control. Unlike traditional factories, we don't just rely on automated checks. We have a dedicated team of highly skilled engineers, ensuring that every PCB meets the highest industry standards. Using advanced inspection tools and rigorous testing protocols, we eliminate defects and guarantee precision in every board we produce. And the best part? You can oversee this process remotely, verifying the quality of your order in real time. At HighPCB, you don't just receive a product. You gain a partner that puts you at the heart of the manufacturing journey. With our transparent production, exceptional quality control, and customer-centric approach, you can have confidence in every PCB you receive. This is more than just manufacturing. This is HighPCB, where you have your own factory. Contact us today and experience the future of PCB production.